Hello, boys and girls. We are here for lesson 7.1. Our essential question for today is, how do you find the total value of a group of dimes, nickels, and pennies? So what we're going to do is we're going to start by sorting some coins. So we're going to use page 467, and I'm going to actually have I'm going to go to this page here, and you're going to draw what I ask you to draw. So here we go. So we have these coins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to sort them by the different types of coins. So we're going to put the coins that are alike in the same circle. So let's see. This guy is going to go here. He's different, and this one's a different size than this, right? If we put them on top, right, or next to each other, we can see that. So we'll put that one here. And these guys are pennies, right? So they're definitely the same color, so we'll put them here. And so we have this one left, which this is the back side of that coin, and this one left, which is the back side of that coin. So now we have our 6 coins sorted, right? So we've got the coins that are alike and the coins that are different in different spots. So how are they alike? How are the different coins alike? Well, they're all round, right? They all have a round shape. The coins in these two circles are both silver colored, but they're different sizes, right? So if we talk about how they're different, these guys are different sizes. They have different presidents on the front. They have different back sides, right? This one has a building. This one has a symbol, torches, right? This one's a completely different color, right? This is your penny. We've got Abe Lincoln on this, and then on the back we have the Lincoln Memorial, right? And they have different values. So what you can draw on your paper is, I want you to draw a picture, a letter D for dime. So we're going to draw 2 letter D's because there's 2 dimes, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put a circle around them, and this is going to be a symbol for a dime. So like how we do quick pictures for base 10, these are quick pictures for money. Next we have nickels. So we're going to put it in, and we're going to draw a circle around it. And then we're going to do one more because there's 2 of them. We'll draw a circle around it. So that's the symbol for a nickel. And then our last one is a penny, and we're going to put a P for penny and put a circle around it. Just like that. Now another way you can represent these is you can represent them with their values. So a dime is 10 cents. So we could put a 10 and put a circle around it. For a nickel, we could put, let me get to the nickel. We could put 5, right? Because a nickel is 5 cents. Put a 5 with a circle around it. And for pennies, right, that's the easy one. Everybody should know a penny is worth 1 cent. So we'll put a 1 with a circle around it. All right. So for math talk today, it says, a nickel has the same value as how many pennies? Great question. So we just went over the fact that a nickel is 5 cents and a penny is 1 cent. So how many pennies does it take to equal 1 nickel is what they're asking. Well, if we had pennies and we wanted to make pennies equal a nickel, so a nickel is 5 cents, so I'm going to draw a 5, and I'm going to write an equal bar or equal symbol. That's a not equal symbol. Let me erase that and draw it again. But we're going to draw an equal symbol. And we would draw pennies till we get to 5 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pennies is the same value as 1 nickel. Let's go to the next page. So that brings us to our model and draw. So let's make this bigger. So our big takeaway for today is that a dime is 10 cents. This thing is called a cent sign. We've seen that before. A nickel, right? Nickel, there's a picture of the head side of a nickel, is 5 cents. And the last one is a penny is 1 cent. So it says count dimes by tens. So we can trace this, right? 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. Count nickels by fives. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. Then, if we have a group of dimes, nickels, and pennies, we start with the largest coins first. So the dimes are 10 cents. So we count 10 cents, 20 cents. Then we have to count by fives to count our nickels. And another way you can do this is write their values on the face of them is helpful when we're counting these. So now we've got our nickels, so 25 cents because we added 5 to 20. And then 5 cents added to 30 is 30 cents because we're still counting by fives. And now we're going to count by ones because we're counting our pennies. So we were at 30, now we're at 31 cents, 32 cents because we have 2 pennies. So the total value is 32 cents. Let's try another one together before we have you try one on your own. So again, use this strategy. I'm going to write the values right on the face of the coins. These are all nickels. And then a penny. So we're going to count by fives and then count by ones. So I'm going to write the counts. So 5, 10, and actually I'm going to write the values right underneath so we don't lose our place. Hold on. Because that's kind of what they did in the example above. So 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents. So our total value is 26 cents. So pause your video and I want you to try number 2. And I'm even going to help you out for number 2. I'm going to write the values of the coins right on them for you. So these are nickels and the first 2 are dimes. So pause your video and add them up. See if you can get the same value as I get. All right, so here we go. Let's check the work. So let's see. 10 cents, 20 cents, right? Because we're adding dimes. Now we're going to jump 5 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents. So our total value is 35 cents. And we make sure we draw our cent symbol. All right, let's go to the next page. Change the size. There we go. Whoops, right here. All right, page 469. So I want you to give number 3, 4, 5, and 6 a try. Pause your video, give number 3, 4, 5, and 6 a try. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the values on the coins because that's going to make it easier to add. These are all dimes. Hopefully you already did this. Nickels. These are all nickels. I'm going to write the values on 5 and 6. All right, so I labeled the rest of mine. I didn't want to use up all your time. So, all right, so let's count. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents. So total value, 60 cents. Next one, we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 cents. And on these last ones, they don't give us anywhere to write. They just want us to figure it out. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45 cents. And then 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 cents. All right, let's go to the next page. And I want to look at the Think Smarter problem. So it says Sue has 40 cents. Circle the coins to show this amount. So go ahead and give it a try. These are all dimes. Remember, dimes are 10 cents. So how many of you are going to circle to show 40 cents? Go ahead and pause your video. All right, so let's see. Dimes are 10 cents, right? So I'm going to write 10 on all of them just, you know, to help me out. And then remember, I'm going to count 40 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so I'm going to circle 4 dimes because it says circle the coins to show the amount Sue has. And that's it. That's all you got to do. All right, so let's go to the next page and talk about what you need to do for your homework pages. So you need to do this page, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the back, the lesson check and the spiral review. All right, good luck.